We start by frying the fish, which has been marinated with salt and turmeric powder in copious amounts of mustard oil. Be careful while flipping your fish so that you do not break them or get hot oil splatters. Once the fish starts to get a prominent brownish color, it indicates that the fish is completely cooked and we can now take them out of the oil. Next, we will remove the excess oil in the pan until we have about 2 tablespoons of oil left behind, in which we will cook the curry. To the remaining oil, we will add half teaspoon of nigella seeds and 2 fresh green chilies. Then we will add the masala paste we have made in the food processor and cook it till the raw flavors of the spices go away. We will also add a bit of water to completely use all the spices in the cup. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of chili powder to this. Add salt as per your preference. Next, add our previously fried fish to the gravy and simmer so that the flavors can be incorporated. This is the consistency of the curry we are looking for. Turn off the flame and add 2 tablespoons of raw mustard oil to add the extra kick of flavor, and we are done.